great driver car. It's got a built 340. It's been bored and stroked to a 409. This car's got some good power to it. You gotta be careful in this. If you don't know how to handle the horsepower, it'll get you. You got an automatic. You got a 3-speed automatic transmission in here. You got a new head unit. We'll let Justin show that. You got an aftermarket tach here to show you your RPMs. All the gauges seem to be working. Temp gauge works. The voltage or alternator gauge is working. The dash looks nice and good on it. The headliner's in good condition. Overall, the interior is really nice, and the exterior is even nicer on this thing. This is really good looking. It's in a really pretty blue, kind of a dark shade of a blue. Got the vinyl on the top right there that has the 340 on it. Overall, just a really good driver car. This thing runs fantastic. It's got a lot of power. Brakes work good. The steering's good on it. But with that being said, let's take this one for a little bit of a cruise around the block to show you what it's all about. Oh yeah, this has got some power. You can just lean back, drive this thing, and just look cool doing it. Suspension handles really good on it. I don't hear any kind of popping or anything in the suspension. Not too stiff to where it's beating you up, but still got a nice ride. But that is what I love the most, the sound of that V8. It just sounds really nice. We have a Mopar specialist here at Collectible Motor Car. He's busy with a customer right now. I'm more of the Chevy guy, so I'm sorry if I don't know all the lingo that you Mopar guys know, but I'm still learning a little bit on that. You know, if you want to talk some LS stuff or some Chevy stuff, I can definitely speak that lingo. But with that being said, guys, if you are interested in this car, you can give Mark, Justin, or Chris a call here at Collectible Motor Car of Atlanta. We'd love to help you out. We'd love to help you with anything that you need. We do offer financing. Anything that you have, any questions or anything that you may have, we'll work through it. We'll help you get this in your driveway. If you want to reach us, you can reach us at 770-738-7111. You can also go to our website at collectiblemotorcarofatlanta.com. But with that being said, guys, go to the website, check this thing out. We'll have this video posted shortly. Doesn't get any better than a 1972 Plymouth Duster.